All right. So now that we've talked about all of these topics and all of these things from extracurriculars to grades to why the ninth grade matters, what if you have questions about college and PSAT and you don't know who to go to? Questions like, you want to know more about the college application process, or you're interested in already looking at what colleges you might be able to go to. You want to know more about the PSAT or what clubs and organizations you should join. Maybe you just have some more questions. Who do you talk to? And that's where I want to introduce you guys to Mr. Godoy. He is part of our college success team, and he is a man with a plan and can help you with all of these college-related questions. And he has a video next, and he's going to introduce himself and let you in on what he does. And that's basically going to wrap up this lesson. After you watch his video, you're going to have one last little 5-minute talk with your teacher, and they're going to tell you about their college experience. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. And with that, here's Mr. Godoy.